siya hindi.
What do you say?
Look at this, like a chicharron skin.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said she's saying she messed it up. That's perfect.
Homemade!
Kind of like lashing. Nanonood kami guys ng Christmas Carol. At saka alas 11 na natapos. At saka pag gising ko, nagising ako guys. Yan, nag-snow na. White Christmas talaga. Nag-white Christmas. Misty, you don't go pipi. Tingnan nyo guys, white Christmas. Roxanne. Bukas guys, marami ng snow bukas. Pagising papunta sa sister-in-law ko. So, oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God, alas 11 na guys, hindi pa kami natulog. Han, you can close this door now.
Oh, I mean, you have a hanger out of it.
Okay. Tulog na kami guys. It's late na guys. Almost midnight na. Anyway guys. Thank you guys. Morning guys. Merry Christmas. December 25 na Merry Christmas. Nag-snow sa labas guys. Grabe. Nag-snow pa rin hanggang ngayon. Right, Rox? Mama need to open windows because Dada is really not helping. Mas marami ata ngayon. Oh no, it's not really. The same thing lang. Ay nako. Tignan nyo yung isa. Do you wanna play this now? Do you wanna go play? Do you want to play? Do you like playing? Yeah? Do you want to play snow baby? You're so good girl. Yes you were. I think this is not my first yung white Christmas, yung as in nag-snow talaga. Paminsan lang ito mangyari kahit winter, di ba dapat mag-snow palagi? Hindi. Mag-ano lang ako ng card kay Tami. Ito yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. To my husband, Shmush. Schmack. Kish. Shmush. Kish. 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 Just can't get enough of you at Christmas. Kiss. 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 Love you. XOXO. Look. This is the Christmas card that I'm gonna give to him. And open up like this. Yeah, lucky to have you. This one right here. Okay, let's give this card to him. Wala kaming gift guys. So yun ang usapan namin lagi talaga lahat. So
Sounds like
Merry Christmas, B-boy.
Oh, yeah, man.
Just a card. Oh my God, just read it. This is what we're facing right now. White Christmas.
the only
Oh, Roxy's enjoying the snow. She's right there.
Thank you, Anne. Sorry, I ate no card, no nothing.
I love you. I love you so much. You like the snow outside? She likes it. Gustong-gusto niya yan. Ay, tignan niya. May bones kasi doon. Tignan niyo si Misty. Tignan niyo si Roxy. Roxy loves snow. Roxy, like she moves. Roxy, it's cold. Hanap lang ako ng gift wrap kasi magra-wrap ako, Ano bang mga pambata dito? The bag. The bug. Hi, the bug. What are you doing, the bug? What are you doing up there, bug? Hmm? We're still here. After 20 years, guys, andito pa rin kami. Hindi pa siya ready. Ako ready na. Siya hindi.
What do you say?
Time for Gold Bond Healing Lotion. Penetrates 10 surface layers deep with 7 moisturizers, 3 vitamins. Skin is nourished, healed, healthy looking.
Roxy knows. Alam ni Roxy, alis kami. So, ano siya? Nalulungkot.
I'll call Roxy. I'm not calling you. It's always you. You just gotta be the first one all the time.
Alam nyo ba ano ng oras, guys? Malapit na mag alas 3 ng hapon, andito pa rin kami. Yung Christmas, wala talaga, guys. Mingaw yung Christmas ngayon, walang ka. Ano. Tignan itong eyes ko, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Huh? Diba, Rox? Diba, Rox? Alam niyang alis kami. Buti pa matulog na lang kaysa umalis. You believe everything? No, it's just advertisement. Naniwala naman siya yung advertise na yung paa ng matanda may mga kahit ano-ano na at saka nilagyan ng lotion. Yung lotion nawawala lahat na nagiging ano siya, hamis ba, smooth and no black spots. Naniwala tuloy si Tamin. Yun ang nakaano kay Tamin. Niwala. Mag-change lang ako, guys, ng probably jeans. Okay lang naman ito, di ba? Okay lang ito. Mag-change lang ako ng jeans kasi sobrang mahuot. Yung jeans lang, yung regular jeans yung sinuot ko kasi mas komportable. Yung isa na sinuot ko sobrang huot, sobrang gipit ba? Gipit sa pagkain. Ba't masakit ito? Naipit ata ito. Ito, hindi ko lang alala. Pero naipit ito. Anyway, so bigyan ko lang ng pagkain yung aso at saka pusa para yun. Did you even pick cards? No. You don't do nothing. Look. Ngayon lang siya nag-ano ng cards. Maraming oras kanina, ngayon lang. You get it?
You don't.
You don't. We have a tons of cards, guys. That box right there is full of cards. So, that's my baby. Looks good on blue with a black and white background. Oh, it's so handsome. Hey, Robert De Niro, what are you doing here?
Oops.
Robert, John. Tommy's name is John. He texted me, "Hi, John. Why there's chick in there? Probably that's last year."
Right?
Yes, of course.
I remember seeing it down. You definitely know that, right? I didn't lock it in the open.
I don't know now. Wow, you forgot.
Because if I locked in the open position, that's gonna be craziness. This is major construction. And you said you definitely have cars in that bag, right?
Yes, Tommy. Merry Christmas. I'm just trying to ino-okay ko lang ito, guys. Kasi yung sister-in-law ko may ginawa.
That really didn't take my throw, so that was disgusting. Right?
Yeah, what?
The throw up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fresh fil-am.
I peeled the skin though. I turned it up.
That's perfect, though.
No, but
Eh?
I peeled it because I wanted to turn it up and get it bruised like the potatoes in. And I can check it on it.
Andrea, I think it's burnt already. Can you shut it off? No.
Well, we could turn it lower too, you know.
Oh, I don't know.
What?
Oh, children taking pictures.
No, I'm taking video
I see.
of you cooking. It's very colorful.
Say hello to the
Yeah, I
world.
like color.
Very
You're on
colorful.
Facebook Live. Say hello to the
No,
world right
she's
No,
pretty
this
good
is
like
not.
that.
No.
Well, I
And
didn't go to sleep last night.
now. I couldn't. I
She
mean, I have no
is-
energy this morning whatsoever.
pork. Look at this, like a chicharron skin.
Oh yeah, chicharron.
Look, did you see?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said she's saying she messed it up. That's perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect. I told her. It's good.
That's the part you want to eat.
Yeah.
No, I've been living on coffee for the last week and a half.
Yeah, well,
Coffee? Nag-alala si Tami, guys.
Did you try
Dahil yung ano namin, ha? Yeah, I did try the same thing.
It's also really.
Dahil hindi niya ma-open yung ano namin.
Well, the way they.
Yeah, but see, it says offline, but watch.
Yeah.
I'm getting the.
It was $5 for a cup of Joe. I was like, "Are you kidding me?" But it was so delicious.
Everything's
I mean, you
online.
tasted the, you know, the
Everything is
celery in it,
online?
the beef
Right.
in it, the broth in it.
All systems
Yeah, no,
operation.
I'm just getting the whatever.
Yeah, it's registering offline.
Yeah.
Why is that?
And it's not coffee.
And it's
because there's
nutrients.
Too much coffee. I guess maybe it would irritate your skin, the wetness.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta hit
Photo
like
it.
shift
Oh, you
at
guys?
the same time. So
Myself.
it makes it
Mom
happen.
talking to you.
Oh.
Yeah, hold shift
Anyhow.
and J down at the same time.
Whatever.
That's my sister-in-law,
Yeah,
guys.
and then
Mahilig
So
siya
Ann,
mag-whatever.
Ann's talked to Andy for a while today. For a long damn while today. So.
The one with the sprinkles on.
Oh, I don't need sprinkles, so that is me.
Oh, this one down here. Did you one half of it?
Oh, yeah.
Break it in
Let
half.
me actually, why'd you put
Homemade!
Within the can.
Homemade in a jar.
In the jar. It's really good though.
Whatever.
No, I like that kind, that hands thing.
Yeah. That's fine. That's all they have in stores.
No, they have different brand, right?
They don't really. Don't expect money from them if you put that online.
No. It's okay.
Well, they don't usually have the healthy options. The top.
Guys, I kind of like lashing. You know what is lashing? A
No.
little bit of hips.
What? What are you talking?
Drunk.
Drunko.
Hey,
Jeez.
napkin.
You're easy.
Yeah, my eyes is already.
That's the onions, not the alcohol.
No, it's two glasses already.
Oh, damn.
It's your
Such a little
fault.
tiny body.
It's your fault.
You just gotta do like me and grow your body.
You're smaller than me, sir.
No.
Yes,
and
you
I put
are.
on a lot of weight.
You're
So you
size
just grow your
0.
body and you won't be susceptible. Don't be pulling over my fat.
No, you're size 0.
Okay,
I'm size
listen.
6.
Get out of here. I'm a size 0. Get out of here. I've never been size 0 my whole damn life.
I was.
There was no size 0 when I was a kid either, by the way. They make stretchy pants and they make a size 0. Give me a break. We had real jeans. They didn't stretch.
Amanda is size minus
Well,
0.
she's probably like a -2 or something.
Negative 2 is the weather.
Yeah, who knows?
Hello, Fred. Look at your eyes. Fred is brown. Why is it brown? It's not supposed to be brown. Hi, Fred. Oh, this is not Freddy. This is. What's her name? Mom. I forgot her name. No, I forgot her name. What's her name?
Oh, Zoe.
Ah, Zoe.
That's Zoe.
Freddy is the other one. The boy.
Sorry.
Hi, Zoo.
Perfect. I don't have to make one tomorrow.
Hello, baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, baby.
I did drop it.
Hello. Where is your brother?
Mashed potatoes and not something wet on
Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Where's your brother?
Angie, where's your restaurant that you work at?
Mm. He's
Whereabouts?
so
In the
cute.
waterfront?
You're too cute.
I want to take my girlfriend somewhere nice. It was good a few years back.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god,
I
you're
was
so
thinking about the
cute.
gilded otter.
You're so cute.
Now that's Recording it.
Update lang guys. Dito.
You can record all the emotion.
he said,
When you
"Oh, no,
go,
Dito
when
kami,
you go
wala
by the
kaming
motion,
ginagawa
when
ngayon.
someone goes by
Nandito
the
lang
motion,
kami
you let
sa
your phone.
bahay ng sister ko. So yun.
You don't want to record it.
He said,
You're
no. She
blackmail
said,
me.
no, why?
Yeah.
She said, I think
That's
he's
not
in
fair.
I don't know.
You're gonna give it to everybody but you.
She said he's not in your house. Why would you
You're the man who's
start
gonna have
screaming at my
Alas
grandma like
8:47 na ng gabi at saka ay hindi ko alam kung kailan kami uuwi. So yun. So kita-kits na lang tayo sa isang bahay guys, kasi hindi pa kami kumain ng mga dessert.
it's like
4 a.m. Yeah, I saw.
Kasi na.
he heard not.
It's French for takes up space.
I was sick.
On the bed.
Sick enough that.
Han, don't take that.
No, check this out. My husband doesn't remember this.
Yeah, it's weird.
I was sick enough that your father
You
was
put this
calling
stupid
me
thing
on
in
the
my
big
head,
ass
and now you want to videotape it on the internet.
Yeah, now you have a flower head.
Aunt was
What?
turning 90.
Oh boy, yeah.
And
Sorry guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos doon sa isa. Dito pa kami sa bahay ng manugang. Sister-in-law ko dahil ano ng oras, malapit nang mag-alas 8, hindi pa kami nakauwi guys. And ano na ang tawag nito. So pauwi na kami. Andun yung asawa ko at saka ina niya ay naglalakad. So we're going home. I will see you home guys. It's freezing out there. Sobrang ginaw as in.
He's inside. I wanted to say goodbye to him.
Roxy! Asa na yung dalawa? Sana hindi nag-ano tong ala. Parang mayroon ata eh. Yes. Ay nako, mayroon. Mayroong aksidente dito. Hala. Patay. Sakit yung mata ko guys kasi kulang sa tulog itong mata ko. As in, kulang talaga ako sa tulog. Dahil kagabi natutulog kami, di ba, alas 12 na ng gabi. And, so ngayon na ako nakauwi, ano ng oras. Oh, malapit nang mag-ano guys, 12. And, magbibihis lang ako. I'm going to wash my face. And, I will see you tomorrow. Iyan ko na tong vlog. Oh, magbihis lang ako guys. And I will see you downstairs with the dog.